Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a bit of an unboxing video of the new products that I've received. It's Goddess Liquid Builder Gel, and it's like builder in a bottle basically. And it's from Nirvana Nail Supplies. And I just wanted to show you me unboxing it, and there should be a video demo / review of it in the next couple of days, and then I'll update you in a couple of weeks when my client comes back again. So you can see how well packaged it all is, like every single bottle's in bubble wrap within the box. So I'm just going to show you like each colour. So this is, I think it's called Rose. And you can see how thick it is, it's just gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. So that's Rose Liquid Builder. And this is Ultra Bond, so this is like the primer, basically the bonder for it. I don't know why I felt the need to open and show you this, because there's nothing really to show you, it's just a primer. But yeah, I did anyway. So I'm going to show you all of them. I will leave a link in the description box as to where you can purchase it, along with my discount code, if anybody is interested in purchasing it. And this is Hero Top Coat. You can use this over the Builder Gel, or you can use it over normal gel polish as well, the Goddess gel polishes. And it is amazing. I've used this already because I have it within my collection already with my gel polishes, and it's like the shiniest top coat I've ever used, and it stays shiny until my client comes back as well, so I do love that. And then this is Titan base coat, I think. So again, a thicker consistency of base coat, long lasting, beautiful. All my clients that have had gel polish with me all last at least 3 weeks, so I mean the product speaks for itself really. And how cute are the bottles? I love the packaging. This is the clear builder in a bottle, liquid builder. Excuse me, sorry. And they are 15ml bottles. Amazing value for money. And actually there's an offer on at the moment. I think it's if you buy 5 get 2 free, I think. And I'm not sure how long that's on for, but yeah, you can go purchase that, or use my discount code too, get a cheeky discount. Why not? So that one's Blush Liquid Builder. And that's the White Liquid Builder. The consistency of it looks so good. Can't wait to use it. Excuse my dressing gown there. I was in my pyjamas filming this video. And this is Soft Peach. Gorgeous colours. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one, where I will be showing you all these products. Fingers crossed anyway. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye.